In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a QuickBooks invoice using a credit card. If you're managing your business finances through QuickBooks, knowing how to efficiently handle payments is crucial. By the end of this guide, you'll have the know-how to settle invoices with ease, streamlining your financial operations. Let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is click on the Sign In button on the QuickBooks main page to access your account. If you aren't already, make sure you're using QuickBooks Online, as this is the platform where we'll walk through the steps. Logging in requires your credentials, so go ahead and enter them and click Continue to move forward. Once you've signed in successfully, head over to the Expense tab. This can be found in the main navigation menu on the left side of your QuickBooks dashboard. Within this tab, you'll be managing and reviewing all your expenses, which includes paying invoices. Now navigate to the Bills section. Here you'll find a listing of all the invoices that need your attention. To take action on an invoice, you'll need to click on the small drop-down arrow next to it. This will reveal a series of options. Choose Mark as paid from the list. Marking the invoice as paid is an essential step, as it registers the transaction in QuickBooks and helps you keep accurate records. After marking the invoice as paid, it's time to specify how you will be paying the invoice. Go to the Bank/Credit Account section. This is where you'll select the method of payment. Since we are focusing on credit card payments today, click on the section and you'll see a list of your available accounts. Choose your preferred credit card from the list. Double check to ensure it is the right card, as QuickBooks will process the payment from this account. To finalize, you'll want to save all your selections and changes. This is as simple as clicking on the Save button. Doing this ensures that all your actions are stored correctly within your QuickBooks system, providing a clear and accurate trail should you need to review your transactions later. And there you have it, a straightforward process for paying a QuickBooks invoice using a credit card. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your business transactions, ensuring that every financial decision is tracked and recorded accurately. This will provide better insights into your business's financial health and streamline your accounting processes. Remember, staying organized with your payments not only helps in keeping good records, but also in building strong relationships with your vendors through timely transactions. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out our other videos for more QuickBooks tips and tutorials.